today I'm doing something I've never done in my life. I am dyeing my wig. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Wangeshi and this is my digital diary. So on today's video tutakuwa tukidai nywele. As you've seen, we'll be turning it from this color to a more blondish color. You see, like it has highlights. That's why I want it to be more pronounced. It's a wear and go wig. You see, wear and go. Na ndo maana naipenda, and so I have like two na zinafanana, so I want to make this one more lighter. The other one is also the same design, the same length, so zinafanana sana, and I want to make them look different. If this works, nitadye pia hiyo ingine because I have another one. So if this works, I'll dye the other one. So you can leave any suggestions in the comment box and I'll be sure to implement them. Time nitakuwa na dye hiyo wig ingine, okay? But for now, join me in this. Niko na uoga. I really hope I don't stay mess up, okay? Anyway, if it messes up, I'll have learned a lesson. But if it doesn't mess up, I'll have a cute wig. No. Hapa kuna kioo ndo najiangalia. But yeah, let's dye this hair.
That's what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad. Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior. That's what she ashamed of your dad. Look at what you become. Try to play what you've been. I was just lying. I was just so in it. I was just so committed. Now I don't regret it. I know what I love is once bad. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go. When I know you hold on to my hands, girl. Won't you let it go? Let it go, let it go, let it go.
Imagine, after all that effort, the dye has refused to dye this hair. I don't know if I'm feeling motivated to give it another chance, but this is the outcome, the same as before. So this was a fail, a total fail. I'm so sad, but sasa let's just clean it to toa hiyo harufu ya dye because dye smells awful.
Took us straight to Paris, post before the camera. finding me, oh. Even when she come around, and I'ma tear that body up. Anytime she walk in, she tear the body up. Time and time again.
We've washed it. Ni safi, it's clean, but because it's a finger coil, unaona hizi curls, siwezi weka kichana kwa hizi curls and I don't want them to drop, so tutapaka the treatment and we're going to scratch it up and yeah, but so far so good. It's feeling so soft. Nasikia vibaya ilikata kudai, but it's fine, we move on. So yeah, sijui kama nitapeleka kwa watu wa kudai ama nita try again, but yeah, inakaa hivyo. So acha tuipake hizi vitu zingine ikuwe better and tuende tuikaushe and then I'll show you the final look. And kama imekata kudai, at least it has been cleaned. That's a positive. So yeah, let's apply the treatment and the curl activator.
She good with that, all over my carriage. Took her straight to Paris, post before the carriage. Soon as I put it